pod wan mane e countynoero ma Kisumu ni od twech ma Koriaga koro ing'iyo ahinya kata oketne nyong'ong kaluwore kod medruok kwan mag joma gamo tuo mar COVID-19 e county ma Kisumu. Commissioner e county ma Kisumu manero Mikai Josephine Ouko owacho ni okenge makare oseketi mar geng'o landruok tuo mar corona e od twech kowacho ni ibiro tim pim ne achije kapok otwegi kata kapok otergi kata gidonjo od twech noero. Koloso kod ute fwambo kanyakla kod kata kina bende ne gin kod Gavana ma county ma konoero Anyang Nyongo, Mikai Ouko wacho ni okenge makamago eko biro duoko chien kwan joma gamo tuo ni eri kono. Korka kore ngire Anyang Nyongo to wacho ni nyaka gi sani eri ji maromo 495 osegamo tuo mar COVID-19 ka bende owacho ni tend piny owacho mare pod biro tiyo kod chike manoketi kendo ringre joma otho kata chike go eko mabendo nywando kanyakla ni ringre joma otho biro mana tieko seche 24 kende mochari to bang'e ikawgi kendo ikogi ka ji maromo 12 kata ka ji maromo 200 kende ema ibiro chiwnegi thuolo mar chopo e nyasi mag iko e kind chike mamoko mathoth mabende migawo mathieth oketo ne konyo e geng'o landruok tuo mar COVID-19.
Governor, and thank you also for the question. What we are doing at the police station is that we, together with the public health officers, those people, the remandees are actually tested. And you know it takes about 1 day for the results to come out. And as we are waiting for the results, we realized that that is when the transmission goes on within the cells. And when it comes to Koriaga, all the inmates who are actually taken there are taken to an isolation ward first. They are tested, and once the results come in, that is when they are moved now to the respective areas where they're supposed to be locked up. We noticed there was a lapse, but we have already taken care of that. And as it is now from 49, the numbers have now come down. So we are already in control of that. Thank you.
Latest statistics from the Ministry of Health show that to date, a total of 495 COVID-19 cases have been confirmed across Kisumu County to date. As of today, 495 people have been proved to be positive, COVID-19 positive in our county. We have so far recorded 8 deaths, and I pray to God that we don't record more. And in order not to record more, we must observe the COVID-19 protocols that were clearly reaffirmed by the President in his address. Out of the total confirmed COVID-19 cases, 431 or 87% are from community transmissions. In other words, we are no longer talking about truck drivers coming from Mombasa or from Busia. 87% of transmissions are within our communities. In Ahero, in Seme, in Moroni, in Nyando, in Kajulu, in Andingopanga. The county government officials, the county, sub-county, wards, locations, and villages are under firm instructions from myself and the county commissioner to ensure the COVID-19 safety guidelines are followed. 2, bodies removed from mortuaries must be buried within 48 hours, and only a maximum of 200 people are allowed to attend such ceremonies. 3, mortuaries are not, and I repeat, not allowed to store bodies brought from outside for more than 48 hours.
Janana mar Lolwe TV gi weche kwa bele timona Lora counties makaluo wabro dheyo matin kaita banga duoko dweche go eko mag ohala ka Chris Owino biro chiwo na weche go eko mag tuke mesa maradek kik idhi mabor.